Hello guys, welcome to JM505 Computers. Today I'll show you guys how to recover your forgotten password in Windows 7, 10, 8, 32 or 64-bit operating systems. This method, it will be work 100% with any operating system, and it will help you guys to recover your forgotten password. If you want to reset the password, and if you want to go into the computer, you got some personal data there and you locked up, don't worry, I'll show you guys. This is quite simple. You guys will need another PC to do this process, because you're locked up, you can't go to your PC. You need another PC, laptop, PC, anything. You just need 15 to 20 minutes to do this. So let's get started. So guys, first you have to go to the Google Chrome and look for this Let's Soft Recover My Password. This is the official website of the software. I'll put the link in the description below, so you can guys just click and go there. So you'll have to look for this tab which is saying free download now. Click on it. I'll just leave it like this, and because I already downloaded and installed, for you guys you have to click on it and install it. So guys, after downloading and installing the software, you guys will have to put a empty bootable CD or a flash drive to make it bootable, so we can use in the computer where we want to recover our password, or we have to remove our password. So after you're done with installing, you guys have to go to the Let's Soft Recover My Password Home Edition. Double click on it. Once you are here, once you connect your USB, just simple is click on this option, burn bootable CD or USB disk now. Click on it. So it will give you the option which Windows you're using now. I'm using Windows 10 64-bit. I'll click like this. I'll say yes. Okay, it will ask you have CD or USB. I'll say I have USB. I'll click on it. This is my USB. Then I'll gonna click on start. So guys, did you see, once I click on start, it is starting downloading and making it bootable USB, so it can be usable for our computer where we want to recover our password. So just wait for a few seconds guys. It depends, this time depends on your computer or hard drive speed. Most of you guys may have the normal hard drive, it might take 3 to 5 minutes, but if you have an SSD, it might take maybe within 1 or less than 2 minutes. This utility will format any existing data on the disk, so make sure you back up any imported content from the drive before you proceeding these steps. Now as it's done guys, just unplug your USB or take off your CD you have what you have just created. Also make sure you have enabled the option for booting for the removable media in your motherboard BIOS settings. Okay, for in this stage guys, on your laptop, depending on your laptop, which PC, which brand you have, the Dell computers usually have boot key F12, the HP ones have F9, and the Asus have F1, and the Sony Vaio normally detects automatically. It depends on the Acer have F12 as well. So it depends on the brand and the settings you have. Just make sure guys you can able to go to the boot menu. Once you go to the boot menu, go and select the USB, and it will give you this option. It will give you these two options, and select the Let's Soft Live CD EMS enabled. Once you click that, hit enter. So once you click on that option, the system loads some required files that are necessary to complete the password reset operation. Sit back and relax and wait for a while. Once you are presented with the main application window, you will see something like this. click the next. You need to choose your operating system on this here. You need to choose your operating system from the drop down menu. This comes useful in case you are running a dual boot machine. The password recovery software will also show you the other relevant details regarding the selected user under account properties. Select the required user from the list and click next. Once you click next, this will take you to the last step of the recovery. Here you just need to click the reset or unlock button at the center to the reset password. It's simple as that. Now click finish. Once you click reset, now click finish on this point and reboot your machine. Okay, congratulations, you have successfully unlocked a password protected Windows account profile. So guys, it was so simple. Less of recover my password is free for personal use. Make sure guys, it's for personal. If it's for commercial license, it will set you back like US 17 or $18 something for professional, for server or unlimited edition respectively. It depends on the version you need. So tested this app guys, for me was carried out on Windows 7, 8 and 10, and it worked perfectly guys for me. I hope guys this video will helpful for you and will help you to recover your password without any hassles. Please do let me know in comments and do like us and subscribe and share. Thank you so much. This is all for today. Thank you again. I'm signing off. Good day.